back to the channel and welcome back to see video 4 of my 1971 custom Puma creation. A crap ton of work has been done to get this far. You guys have seen a lot of these sub-assemblies coming together. It's all coming together. I am 98% complete. You're gonna see everything. I hope you like it. Pitter patter, let's get to work. And as Steel Cracker says, while you wait, you better hydrate. Let's get to work.
All right, I've procrastinated long enough. It's time to get after this 340. So this is a T1C 340 RS1A out of an LT gray. It is a CDI motor with stock dual Mikuni carbs. As you can see, everything tore down. It was slimy and greasy and nasty, but it was unmolested. So I did a little cleaning of the cylinders, as you can see here. I was able to salvage pistons. First engine I'm able to salvage pistons on. So I did buy a few trinkets from Jerry's New Old Stock Cat Parts. I'll put a link to his website. I was able to just basically clean up the crank, did new center seal O-rings, as you can see here. And I got a new set of rings from Jerry, so that was great that he has those in stock and ready to rock. So from here on out, we're going to be watching some time lapse. Enjoy the show.
Here we go. Hoochie mama! Bam! 340, overhauled, ready to rock.
So you want to talk about badass. I am so happy at this point. I've got this 340 all spit shine, polished, exhaust painted. I mean, this thing turned out awesome. So I'm pretty optimistic at this point. Of course, only to get bashed in the head here as we move forward. All right, so all them sub-assemblies, like this driver, are coming together really fast. So driver went in, new Gary Bright drivers. My track went on with all new cleats, new bearings, of course. So this thing ought to outlive me. Bing, bang, boom. Next thing you know, the track and skid are in. All right, so again, just working on systems. So here's fuel system starting to route fuel lines and whatnot. Choke cables are being routed. Throttle cable I had to modify, and that's completely finished here. Just started syncing carburetors. As you can see, this one's a little bit out of sync, but got that corrected. I also had to do my throttle lever modification. So use an LT gray paddle, and you can see that little bracket I made, and it's able to get me full throttle on the Mikuni.
All right, so here's the deal. This engine has never run. It's never been fired. I've never pulled this cord. I got 2 Mikuni carburetors I've gone through. We've overhauled this engine with new rings, all new gaskets. It's spotless inside and out. I got good spark. You saw me drawing fuel up on the fuel pump. I'm hoping we got her. I'm hoping she's mint. Corey, I don't want to hear about your goddamn clots either. Mystic JT4, seeing snow for all your 2-stroke needs. What the... All right, I got spark, I got fuel, pistons are going the right way, put in the brand new BR8 EIX spark plugs. I got one little fart out of it. I got CDI problems, so I got a guy coming to help me out. He always helps me out no matter what. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty discouraged. I'm pretty frustrated. This is the 3rd Kawasaki engine to fuck me over, and I'm pretty much done with them. So if I can get this one going, this will be the last one I build, I hope. Parts coming. New CDI unit. Got a squirt starting fluid. What could go wrong? That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that as much as I enjoyed working on this sled. Now, I'm still going to have video 5 coming, but for now, I'm about as far as I can take this thing. I got snaps to put in my Atwood seat. I got a set of skis that are all done, ready to go. Next thing you know, I'm grass dragging. Now, I don't have to be super fast, but I got to be faster than Jack's 71 Lynx with that 500 Hertz. We'll see. Special thanks to Brad Wilder, Jack Lovis, Mike Lacklore, and countless other people that have helped me out on this project and just answered questions. This one challenged me a little bit more than others in a few areas, but I got through it. I hope you like it. We got to work. Pitter patter, and we'll see you on the next one.